that. No, it's nothing to do with reproduction because they reproduce
Not-
once
not
a day.
reproduction, Not reproduction.
They reproduce
but
once a day.
survival. If in the spring, at every spring they do this, and they get together and they exchange genetic material.
No, they transfer nuclei.
Transfer nuclei.
Yeah. They transfer. One has a resonant nucleus. They make two more than that, and they have resonant nuclei and transfer nuclei.
Like it's either a last-ditch effort to try to survive when survival's...
But the ones that were surviving are always the ones that don't enter. I'm just telling you the data,
Right.
that don't enter the sex act. I think you could turn it off, though.
Okay.
But those are great. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Hi, Bruce.
See the membranelle there, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
So they have the cilia in the front end there? Or they
Well, that's the mouth cilia. Those are not cilia. Those are membranelles. They're rows of 20,000 cilia. Because this is really, this is like a millimeter-sized organism. It's from 300 to 500, 600 microns. Yeah, that's right. The circular white vacuole. It's not. Be careful that it's not the gulp.
Yeah, I know.
But you see, it's opposite the
There are
gulp.
also ones sort of inside.
There are, and those are vacuoles. The thing is that these things are terribly small.
Also doesn't require much to move
No, it's not, because they don't have the kinds of, let me just tell you, the rotary motor on a bacterium, and this is not bacterium, right?
stuff? No. There's one, just at the bottom. Yeah, no.
We didn't get a good shot, did we? I wasn't
I think
looking.
it's at the- I think when they're close to the edge of
That,
it.
that,
Also, right.
that they'll do it more if they're close to the edge? Getting it. You said it fine, but they won't listen.
Oh, no, it was actually something at home. I just had to call it during business hours. So I just don't get it. And she's like, well, does that mean you don't want me to call it all during your roofing list? Or do you
Beth, come and take a look at cilia. Beth,
Yes.
forget the phone calls. Look at the embedded. See the little dots embedded in this red stuff? That's the red stuff. That's the bloom. Sorry, thinner chromatia. The major red thing is extremely tiny. Here's the other photosynthetic entity. It has a lot of structure. We have to get the high power on it. There are a lot of them. I don't know what it is at all, but there's a lot of little stuff in it. Also, I think these chlorella might be like myconasties and form a resistant cyst. I can't remember. I can't remember now whether myconasties is from what organism it's from. But of course, it's a chlorella-like thing that forms kind of alga because it looks like there's chloroplasts in there. I think that's what it must be. Anyway, here's the other one. All these other green chlorella-like structures have come from whatever it is, it's part of the bloom. Here's one picked up and brought in from the bike path. This is very red in the microscope, but it's not getting, it's showing very